Hi there guys, Mark here. Welcome to another one of my videos. In this one, I'm going to show you how to tie another decorative knot originating from Argentinian braiders. This one is done in two colors. It is a flat knot, which in my opinion resembles the gaucho braid or the gaucho knot. The knot, as you can see, looks quite nice. It has a two-colored zigzag pattern traveling across the knot. To demonstrate the knot, I'm going to be using a cardboard surface, a couple of pins, and two cords, each 4 feet long. You don't absolutely need the pins and the surface, but it makes tying the knot clearer. To tie the knot, I'm first going to cross my two cords. So I fold one in half and place it down. And the other one, again, fold it in half and place it down. Take this top end and pass it under, like this. And this bottom end, pass it under as well, creating an S shape. Take this top left end, pass under, over, under, and this bottom right end, pass under, over, under, again creating an S shape. Take this cord and pass it alongside this one, over under. And this one travels under, over, under. So under, over, and under. Take this cord and pass under, over, and this one passes over and under too. Take the same cord we just used and place it alongside this one, over under. Then continue here, traveling under two, over one, under one, over one, and under one. Take this cord and travel under, over, then over two, under one, over two, under over, like this. Take this cord and travel under one, over two, like this. Then continue here, over one, under two, over one, under two, and over two. Finally, this cord travels over 1 and under 2, like this. Then under 1, over 2, under 2, over 2, and under 2. And this ties the knot. To tighten up the knot, we are first going to pull on the 4 ends. Then we are going to start at one end, work the slack through the knot, and into the other end. We do the same thing with the other cord, so we start at one end, we bring the slack through the knot, and out of the other end. Then we simply repeat for a second time to tighten up the knot further. Like this. So guys, that's our knot. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial and that I made it clear enough. Thank you very much for joining me today. Consider supporting the site on Patreon, and I'll see you next time.